Hello friends, hope you're all doing well. Today in this video, I will introduce a technology educational mobile phone app, Techman, which is developed by Mr. Kumar, and you can find this application very easily in Play Store platform, which is for free. And this application contains the programming languages like C, C++. You can see step-by-step Java, Android development, Python, and other famous computer languages, and other computer basics, even software engineering. This application will provide you by step-by-step learning, which you can see in the assignment part when you enter a section like C, and then you will find the options like basics of C, C operators, C control structures, and C functions and array. So in this application, you can easily go through every part and every subject of a computer language, and then you can find the theory part, like who is the father of C language. As we know, it's the Dennis Ritchie who made this application and Bell's Laboratory. You can see AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It's very easy in the theory part. You will be provided with the theory part, like you can find even the smallest parts of a computer language. What is a compiler, what is an instruction, everything. And then you can move on to the practical part. In the practical part, you will see the program samples, like simple program, like how can you write a simple program in C++ or C. You can easily find specific programs, like you can see how to change line using slash in C programming. You can see the sample. It's very easy. You can find it. You can find every program in it. In this application is incredibly equipped with highest and easiest way of learning. And then you can see there are two other options in the assignment part: interview and video. The interview part, which is one of the pros of this application, is that most of the students, when they get their certificate in certain languages, they will move on to find a job or internship. So what they do, they go apply, and after that, when they are called for the interview, so this application will help you to go through your interview. Tips to handle any job interview successfully, and especially the C programming or C program development job interviews. And you can find interview skills and everything. And the fourth section is, of course, the video section. In video section, you can find the videos of in each program you see at the theory part or in the practical part. Perhaps like you see let's go to the practical part. We'll see how to write the first program in C. You see, we have the sample, but just in case you want to see the video, you want to know the whole process, you can go to the videos section, and then you can see there's a little sign called videos. If you tap it, it will enter YouTube, and it will enter the Mr. Kumar's videos under the name of Techman videos. And here you can find subject related videos. As you can see, important facts about Java by I.B. Kumar, interesting facts of Java Part 2 by I.B. Kumar, HTML introduction by I.B. Kumar, legal identifiers in Java. As you can see, this application is equipped with almost everything that you need in programming. And with this application, you can brush up your skills. You can acquire more knowledge in specific part, and at the same time, you can learn a lot from this application, and I highly recommend it to everybody who is watching this video. I hope you learned something from this video, and my recommendation is to download this application, and follow it step by step. Thank you very much. Thank you for staying with me. Have a good day, and as always, stay clever. Thank you. Bye.